In this video, we will discuss how to do the editing in the test. So first we will discuss cut, copy, paste. Also we can discuss about undo, redo, and we can discuss about find, replace. Okay. So example, I'm just for this thing we have it's required for the editing. So example, you wrote some example paper, okay, and you want to move from apple from here, okay, example apple, orange, okay, and coconut, okay. So example, you want to remove this apple, cut to here, just click Control X, okay. So remove from here to select Control X, remove it here, this control, cut. You want to copy, then select copy, Control C, that is okay. So here copy the selected cup and Control C, and you can paste it. Also you can see copy like here upper, select here is copy, right, select copy and paste here by select paste. Similarly here you want to cut, select here, cut and paste, okay. So it's a, and here the shortcut also is the Control plus D, okay. So similarly here you want to see undo or redo, okay. So example, you wrote orange, and before that what had happened, okay. So example, so for this you can do select undo here, see control undo, type it. Now I wrote two times the bubble before, right, it become undo. If I want to redo, just click redo here, okay. So here for this it is the shortcut is control plus J, and here is the control plus Y, okay. And here also shortcut is there. Similarly find and replace, so similar to Excel, let me explain you. So here what will happen, the to wherever example you want to control is that you want to replace, right. So find, so just select find, that is Control F, okay. And so here what you need to do, select F, so here select control, I just selected Control F, so it is showing what are the control is there, control everywhere there, it just find, okay. Control plus F you can select, so it will show in the entire selection of pages. You can see how many types, how many times that what's that is available, what are the selection you did, okay. Similarly if you want to replace, just select here and do the replace, okay. In this case you want to select web control CO and bracket CTRL, okay, and replace, it will replace it. Just see, it got replace, okay. So again you have to redo, just click, you have to replace again anything, no, this is not, this doesn't look good, so just keep it here again, and again you have to make it CTRL, okay. I'm now putting replace, again replace, okay. So this is how we have to do the editing of cut, copy, paste, undo, redo, and replace in the MS Word document. See you in the next video. Thank you.